Hi, everyone. I'm Olaf, and I like warm hugs.
Olaf? That's right, Olaf.
How did Anna remember Olaf? I thought Grandpa Troll said...
I recommend we remove all magic, even memories of magic, to be safe.
So how did she remember? Well, I have two plausible theories. At the start of the movie, I'm not sure what season it is, but in this scene, Oaken says it's July.
Oh, a real howler in July, yes?
We know Elsa can use her powers in summer. This is also clarified by the end of the movie. So I believe that Anna didn't just wake Elsa up for playing in winter, but in summer too. Elsa possibly didn't use her powers in the winter as much, since they could go outside, therefore not using magic to build Olaf, and then Anna would have to remember because no magic was involved. Grandpa Troll even confirms this by saying,
But don't worry, I leave the fun.
But she won't remember I have powers?
the other theory we see in Olaf's adventure, Anna makes art about Olaf and gives these to Elsa as gifts. So I believe when Grandpa Troll removed Anna's memories, they took the form of Anna's imagination. Do You Want to Build a Snowman confirms this. Anna had a snowman character in her imagination years later, but didn't know he was real. Thanks for watching.